What's your name?
Aiden.
Aiden, okay. Aiden's a professional at this. Here he goes. Pogo stick. 1, 2. Actually, he's an amateur. It's the first time he's ever touched it, folks.
Going down this side.
There you go. That's a world record for him. Here's his sister. What's your name, young lady?
Lexi.
Alexi. All right. Look at her. There she goes. She scoots. And he hops. He hops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, that's a record for him, folks. Here she goes. She's going to do something amazing on the concrete even. Look at that. She's a gymnastics. Wow. Sweet. At least that's what the shirt says. She's kicking off the thongs. Wow. And he did it too. Look at Aiden go. AD. AD. Oh my God, did you see that, folks? Oh, did you see that? That. Here, give us a smile. Show us, young lady. Look at it. Let's show that how the tooth fairy got a little something. What? Give us a big smile. Look at that. Say bye-bye now. Say hasta la vista.